Looking for a house isn't easy these days, especially when you're trying to balance budget, location, and quality. But this townhouse behind me does a really good job of checking those boxes. And honestly, it could be one of the best value townhouses here in Talisay City. Let's take a look. For an inner unit, you are getting around 82 square meters of lot area and 111.50 square meters of floor area. Right away, you'll notice that it already comes with a gate and fence, a one-car carport, and a space here that you can turn into a pocket garden if you'd like. The main door is also a solid wood panel door with quality locks and hardware. Now as you step inside, you are welcomed by the living area, followed by the dining space and the kitchen. There's also a toilet and bath here on the ground floor, which is convenient when you have guests over. One detail I like is this space underneath the stairs. It also comes with natural stone cladding, so you can leave it as a design feature, add some indoor plants here, or even convert it into extra storage later on. Now over here is the dining area. So you can comfortably fit here a 6-seater dining table, and you'll still have enough room to move around. Now this accent wall with stone cladding also gives you a nice spot for a buffet table or some home decor. Plus, with the sliding window here and the awning window in the kitchen, this space gets plenty of natural light and ventilation. Now let's check out the kitchen. Everything you see here is already included with the house. The cabinets are laminated melamine boards paired with granite countertop, and of course you have a stainless steel sink. At the back is also a solid wood door that leads you to the service area. It already comes with ceramic tiles, trellis roof, LED lighting, and a water connection for your laundry. And if you prefer, you can turn this into an extended dirty kitchen. So it's a very flexible space depending on your needs. Now let's head upstairs and check out the bedrooms. We'll check first the master's bedroom. So this room is just bright and spacious, thanks to this wide sliding window here that lets in plenty of natural light. It also comes with cove lighting, built-in wardrobes, and ensuite toilet and bath. Right across this room is the second bedroom. It is also generously sized, just with a different layout. Like the master's bedroom, it also includes cove ceiling, built-in wardrobes, and ensuite toilet and bath. To wrap it all up, this house offers spacious living, dining, and kitchen area, 2 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, which is actually rare for 2-story townhouses this size, a 1-car carport, and a functional service area. If you're looking for a brand new townhouse here in Talisay City that's close to schools, commercial establishments, and everyday conveniences, this is definitely one worth considering. If you'd like to learn more or schedule a house tour, visit activegroup.com.ph or contact us to reserve your unit today. See you here at Durham Rows.